The next thing we'll take a look at is our graph. So let's remove the errors. Standard chart that we show whenever you come to the Log Explorer is a standard line graph with time on the x-axis and events counted on the y-axis. This gives you a basic idea of how many events are being pulled into Log Inside Cloud at any given time, but it might not be the most useful. So let's search error again. Let's change our chart. We're still going to keep count of events, but let's change our over time to grouped by host name. Let's do a non-time series. All right, now this is a little more useful. We can see which hosts are the chattiest and sending the most error logs to Log Inside Cloud. And then we can take a look at this and maybe say we have an NSX machine that has sent 400 error logs in the past 5 minutes to Log Inside Cloud. We can say, let's take a look and see what this issue is. So if we double click, I clicked on this Log Inside agent, 300 errors. And now in the stream, we're only getting events for that specific host. Looks like it's having some trouble finding a paired interface for the VXLAN tunnel. And then if we want to do some more troubleshooting, we can see that these are the errors that are trending up, and these are the errors that are trending down. So it looks like our initial error in the stream for the VXLAN tunnel device is trending down. So it might be something that somebody fixed, or something that was a quick blip and it fixed itself, and now it's trending down. So we might not have to worry about that event, even though it is in the top of our types. So as you can see here, if you take a little time to massage your data, Log Inside Cloud can be very useful for doing some troubleshooting and root cause analysis. We just have to make sure we understand what we're querying and organize the data in a proper way. One more thing I'd like to look at is the partition search feature in Log Inside Cloud. So partitions are a new feature that we released in the latest version of Log Inside Cloud. You can send events to index and non-index partitions based on need for long-term retention or query performance. So let's get rid of this error. Let's choose one of our partitions. We'll take the DNS info logs partition. Now we're only querying logs that are in that partition. Let's narrow down some of these DNS logs. So let's say we want to find only UDP traffic. We've searched the DNS info logs partition for UDP events, and we're still broken down, grouped by host name. So let's change that. Let's change this back to time series. Do a unique count based by event type. Now we can see based on the event type, the different unique UDP logs that are coming in. So we had 12 unique logs during this time frame come in. We want to break it down further. We can see which logs, UDP logs, are coming from our Postgres database server. We'll break it back to count of events over time. So we have 62 events that came in this time period. If we want to drill down, we can do that. See our types and see our trends. That concludes our overview on how to use the Log Explorer for some intermediate functions like event trending, searching, organizing your data in a graph, and searching log partitions. The best way to have this make sense is to go into Log Inside Cloud yourself, try some of this out, work on it, create your own queries, create your own partitions, and start creating some of your own dashboards and alerts. With that, thank you so much for watching.